Fractional powers. Negative powers. In this video, you are going to learn how to simplify fractional powers where the power is negative. A fractional power means a base number raised to a fractional exponent. Fractional powers represent both exponentiation and roots. For example, let's consider the number 16 to the power of minus 3 over 2. When you come across a negative power like this, you can simplify it by following two steps. Step 1. Turn the number or term upside down. Step 2. Make the power as positive. When you flip the number 16 upside down, it becomes 1 over 16. Next, make the negative power to positive power. By changing the sign from negative to positive, minus 3 over 2 becomes 3 over 2. So, the term becomes 1 over 16 to the power to 3 over 2. Now, in the numerator, we have 1. So there is no need to simplify that further. In the denominator, we have 16 to the power of 3 over 2 which needs to be simplified. This is similar to simplifying fractional powers, which we explained in earlier videos. The numerator in the power is 3 and the denominator in the power is 2. The denominator 2 means we take the square root of the base number 16. That yields 4, because 4 times 4 is 16. Then in the next step the 4 is raised to the power of 3, which is in the numerator, and it gives us the answer 64. So, the simplified value of the denominator 16 to the power of 3 over 2 is 64. Now, we need to combine the numerator 1 and the denominator. By combining them, we get 1 over 64. The simplified result of 16 to the power of minus 3 over 2 is 1 over 64.